Do not be afraid. Just have faith. In simple terms, keep believing. Manatili kang umaasa. Kahit napapagod, natatakot, nahihirapan ka na. Yun ang hinahanap ng Panginoon sa atin. Hinihiling ng Panginoon sa atin. At hindi niya ito hahanapin at hihilingin sa atin kung wala itong magandang itutulot sa atin. Hebrews 11 verse 6. But without faith, it is impossible to please God. For those who come to Him must believe that He is, and that He is a rewarder of those who diligently seek Him.